We're going to apply a free Breeze Accelerator to this window to show you how to apply it and how it works. First, you open up your box, of course, and here are the products that you're going to need in a minute. And here we have the free Breeze Accelerator, and we'll basically adjust it to the height of the window. And then, today we are just going to apply the Velcro to this, which you have two pieces of Velcro. You take one side off, apply it to the bottom like this.
He's doing good. We're going to do a couple different things.
The top and apply it like this. And then you pull off the other side. Into the window, and if you really want to get technical, you can use a level. There you are. That's all there is to it. And now we'll show you the wind speed.